everybody, my name is Zarif, and today we are going to be looking at how to boost your FPS in America's Army Proving Grounds as well as in other games. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're first going to want to go into File Explorer. Click on File Explorer, which is this file right here, this little file thing right here, or search it up in here. And you want to go to this PC, C drive, or whatever drive you have everything installed in. You want to go into users, your username, documents, my games, America's Army Proving Grounds, AA game, config, and then you want to go to AA engine. You want to double click on that. You will be met with this, or in a notepad. I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description of what notepad I'm using. I'm using Notepad++. I'll leave a link to the download in the description. So let's continue. You want to press Control and F at the same time. You want to type in SMOOTH, which is smooth. Find it next, and you'll see this right here, which is B smooth frame rate equals true. I added this in. If you guys wanted to see it or know what it did, you can pause the video and read that. But you want to change B smooth frame rate to true, min smooth frame rate to 0, and your max smooth frame rate to 60. Now you can change the max to whatever you want. It's totally up to you and totally up to your preference. Mine is 60. I think it works great. And then once you do that, you want to press Control and S at the same time, or this right here, or this right here, the little floppy disks. You want to minimize that after you do this, and you want to click on AA System Settings. You want to open that, double click it, and you will be met with System Settings. Now I will also be leaving a download in the description, or a link in the description of my config for AA System Settings.ini, because some of you guys might just want to plop it in there and do what you want. It also has all the comments on what you on what everything does that I am talking about in this config. So let's start off. I'll let you guys I'll let you guys just copy this at the moment. Pause the video, of course, and copy it if you want. Okay, we don't need to worry about the mobile feature level. So once you copy it or download the file and paste it and replace it with your current one, you want to Control S, save, or this save all, minus. Next, you want to click on this PC once more, local disk, or wherever you have your Steam installed, program file, which I mine in program files times 86, Steam apps, common, America's Army, AAPG, engine, config, and you will be met with this. First thing you're going to want to click on is base engine. Double click on it. You'll get all of this. It's basically the same thing as AA engine. It's just it's named base engine, and it's the actual engine config where it loads up with. So you want to you want to hold down Control and then press F, or press them at the same time, and you want to type in smooth once more. And you want to look for the same thing and do the same thing. B smooth frame rate equals true. You want to change it to true. and the min smooth is 0, and max smooth is 60 for me, but make it the same as what you set it in here. So once you do that, you obviously control save or control S and or use the floppy disks. Next you minus that. I'm gonna go to base system settings. Double click on that, and I didn't make any comments because it's the same thing as this. So just copy what you have right here, and the true parts. Copy that all into this. Like don't copy and paste like this. Just go through each one, and okay, that's false, and then just change it to false in here. Once you've done that, Control S or the floppy disks, of course. And now you're done with all the config part. All of this stuff, all the typing, you're done with. Next, you can just exit out of that. You can exit out of the file explorer if you want to. Next, we're going to go into the Nvidia control panel. I'm not sure how AMD works, so I'm sorry I'm not going to do AMD. I might search it up and do it on a different video, but for now, Nvidia control panel. Next, you want to go to adjust image settings with preview. This is what you'll be greeted with, adjust image settings with preview. Mine's going to take a bit. I got to let it load up, and I'm not going to edit because I don't know how to edit. I know it's kind of sad, but I don't know how to edit. So guys, I'm sorry about that and about the quality and everything. But anyways, you want to click on use the advanced 3D image settings, and there will be an apply button right here that you click on after that. And now you want to go to manage 3D settings. This is where you're really going to do stuff. Now make sure that you copy all of this down. Okay? I'll scroll down as right now. You can pause the video and look at it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go to Program Settings. I'm going to click on Program Settings, this tab. Just let it load a bit. And once there's stuff in here, I'll tell you what to do. I'm sorry guys, this is very cringy, I know. Okay, so now you will most likely have whatever thing here selected by default. So what you want to do is you want to look for whatever game you're going to do this on. In my case, the AA games, the Proving Grounds. I'll click on that, and you want to copy all this down, and then we'll talk about some stuff after. Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to really want to look at is this all thing right here, the CUDA GPUs. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click on that, and yours is going to be on global setting, whatever you set this setting to. And what you want to do instead is you want to click on use these GPUs, and click on whatever GPU you have installed or whatever GPUs you want to use. I'm using the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. So right now, that's what I'm using. I click OK, and then there's the apply button. Don't click on it yet. You're also going to want to go to multi-display mixed GPU acceleration. Click on that, and yours will be set to use global settings. You want to click on multiple display performance mode if you have more than one display or more than one monitor. Instead, I only have one, so I use single display performance mode. And once you do that, you want to click apply. Just let it do its thing. Oh, just let it do its thing, and it should be almost done any second. It'll take a while. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's very cringy and a very bad video, but just know I'm trying for you. You also want to change this and the global settings as well. So this, you want it to be your graphics card you want to use, and then same with this, you want it to be whatever you use, multiple or single. I use single, so yeah. After that, you want to go to Configure Surround. And this processor, you just want to work on the physics thing. I'm not sure what this is, but you want to look at the physics processor group box or tab. And what this basically it chooses what card or what thing you want to use for all the game physics, to load all the game physics and all of that stuff, all that good stuff. So what you want to do is it'll usually be on auto select, which would say recommended, or CPU. Instead of CPU, because CPU is a very bad thing. It could overheat your CPU, and your computer could break. So what you want to do is you want to click on the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti or whatever graphics card you currently use, and there should be an apply button right here. I'll change this to this and then change it back like that, so I'll do it with you guys. There will be an apply button like that, and just let it do its thing. Okay, it's done doing its thing. Now it's set to that. Now we're done with everything, and you can go play your game. I'm not gonna jump into the game, mainly because I'm not sure if my computer can handle at the moment playing a game and recording at the same time. So I'll probably do gameplay at a separate time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped you, and I would like you guys to have a nice day and make someone happy and please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.